Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, I'm looking at Bitcoin right now and also be looking at XRP as well too. And if I go to my daily chart with the good old Bitcoin, you can see that pretty much from, we're in July right now, all of June and pretty much all of May, we've been doing pretty much nothing here. You can see how we're just really, there's no one really sort of making a dominant move right now on the shorter term time frame here. So we're getting a very sideways movement through here. Now, that could be a very bullish move in the markets. And the reason why I say that is because if I go to my weekly charts, look what's actually happening through here. It looks like to me, but looking at the good old Bitcoin, is that we have this high point up through here. We have this high point up through here. We have this low point. This could be some sort of maybe higher low through here. So with Bitcoin and what I'm seeing right now when it comes to the Bitcoin price action, if we start to get a nice solid close above sort of 10,000 on the weekly chart, then we could start to race back up to say around the 14,000 level there and maybe even beyond. So not much has been going on right now with Bitcoin. This is the calm before the storm, because there's really not much going on with Bitcoin right now for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, pretty much over 2 months worth of nothing going on, right? So if I bring up my daily chart here, you can see how really just not much going on. This is the calming effect, because I do believe we're about to see some really nice moves out of Bitcoin. And once again, guys, if we do see a break above 10,000 level, then we're probably likely to break and have a nice move to the upside. So a lot of people are bullish Bitcoin right now. I don't have any Bitcoin. I don't invest in cryptos myself. I'm more of a stock and options trader. But you can see that's what's happening through it. Now, on the flip side of that, if we start to break down, we could see a race back down to around about the 6,000 or the 7,000 level through there. So that's what we're seeing through there right now on Bitcoin right now. Very exciting. If we start to see a break up, then we could start to see another very nice move back to the upside, possibly even and then a move back up to around the 14,000 level through there. Looking at now also on the XRP level, and XRP is still in a nice downward trend through here. So we can see that we have this sort of high, sort of equal high. We have a lower high. There's a low through here. So if XRP holds through here right now, and we start to break up, we start to have a very nice move. If we start to break above sort of on this weekly chart above the sort of the 22 cent mark, then I see a race back up to 30, probably a bit of pause at 30, and then a race back up to around the sort of 48 to 50 cent level. That's what I see with XRP. But we need to see this hold here to create a higher low, breaking past this point very strongly, breaking up like that. And if we get that, we're probably likely to start to see exactly like that as well too. So there's a bit of an update there on good old XRP on the weekly chart, also Bitcoin on the weekly chart as well too. It looks like we're starting to see a bit of a bottom here in XRP. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see what happens here. But also the same sort of thing on Bitcoin as well too. So it looks like we're going through a bit of a calming effect, but both XRP and Bitcoin, this is the calm before the storm.